Day 24, Vivid Voltage. Energy. Duat. Opal. Matang. Drillbur. Rylu. Chimeco. Ninkata. Voltorb. A Dusclops Reverse Hollow. Anything special? A Clefable. Wah, 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 wah. Day 26, Fusion Strike. Energy. Charge-a-Bug. Judge. Excadrill. Seawaddle. Skarmory. Jinx. Yorit. Mantine. Grubbin. A Dubwool Reverse Hollow. And a Latias. Day 20 of opening 30 different packs in 30 days. Sword and Shield, Lost Origin. Here we go. Energy. Hariyama. Arc Phone. Metacham. Sudowoodo. Bronzor. Electrite. Ghastly. Binacle. Reverse Hollow Lady. She's my lady. Oh, and an Aerodactyl V. Not too shabby. Day 12. XY Breakpoint. Here we go. Is it trick 3? I think the trick's 3 with this one. Luxio. I like that. Cricketune. Man, the artwork on these was so much better than the stuff today. Palpitoad. Trubbish. Shelder. Drowsy. Spritzy. Timpole. A Spritzy Reverse Hollow. And a Seismitoad. Day 9. Sun and Moon. Celestial Storm. Here we go. Alright, Energy. Rainbow Brush. Apricorn Maker. Donphan. Whismer. Voltorb. Slugma. Bagon. Baltoy, Reverse Hollow Lycia, pretty cool, and a Grumpig. Wah, wah, wah. Day 13, XY Ancient Origins. Here we go. One, two, three, four. Let's make sure that's the right. Oh, I think it's three. I think it's three for these. Let's see. Trainer, Lysandre, Sableye, Level Ball, Malamar, Gollet, Ralts, Persian, it's a cool card, Unknown, Golurk Reverse Hollow, very cool. I like that a lot. And a Regirock. That's cool. Day 8, XY Primal Clash. Here we go. One, two, three, four. Oh, hold on a second. I think the trick is 3 on this one. So go like this. I think the trick is 3 on these. Okay, so let's see here. All right, Kakuna, Lanoon, Vibrava. I love the artwork on these. Staryu, Lotad, Solrock, Drillbur, Nosepass, Illumis. Oh, yeah, baby! Sun and Moon, Celestial Storm. Here we go. All right, Energy, Rainbow Brush, Apricorn Maker, Donphan, Whismur, Voltorb, Slugma, Bagon, Baltoy, Reverse Hollow Lycia, pretty cool, and a Grumpig. Wah, wah, wah. Day 3 of opening up 30 different Pokemon packs in 30 days. Sword and Shield. Two, three, four. Energy, Lucky Egg, Thwackey, Seeking, Kufant, Grookey, Yamper, Silicobra, Scorbunny, and wait, we got what? Uh-oh, what do we got after the Muna? Reverse Hollow? A Stonejard RV! Day 6 of opening 30 Pokemon packs in 30 days. Today's pack, Astral Radiance. Oh, this is a tough one. Here we go. Whew, we're gonna have to hurry through these cards. That was a tough pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fire. Temple of Sinnoh. Wait and see Turbo. Roxanne. Roxanne. Quillfish. Rowlet. Another Quillfish. Oshawott. Hoo. Oshawott. What the heck's going on? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, Husey and Lilligant! A V! Day 4 of opening 30 different Pokemon packs in 30 days. Here we go. Pokemon Go. One, two, three, four. Fire. Blanche. Gyarados. Egg Incubator. Squirtle. Tranquil. Charmander. Eevee. Natu. A Pikachu reverse. I like that. And oh, oh yes! Day 2 of opening 30 different Pokemon packs in 30 days. Here we go. Rebel Clash. One, two, three, four. Energy. Heliolisk. He's cool. Doublade. Heracross. Galarian Corsola. Toxel. Galarian Mr. Mime. Snover. Pidove. Stunky. That's a reverse holo. And Obama Snow. Day 7 of opening 30 different Pokemon packs in 30 days. I have no clue what the hell this is, but here we go. Oh man, this is a tough one. Might have to get the scissors. There we go. Oh, we didn't even get it. Uh-oh. Oh, we're 30 seconds in and no cards have been seen. But here we go. All right. It's like a double or something like that. Who knows? Because I don't speak Japanese. It's a cool card. I have no clue what it is. Oh, we got something shiny back there. Let's get right to it. Whoa! I like it. I like it. A good old Zapdos. Day 23, Darkness Ablaze. One, two, three, four. Energy, Rose Tower, Steenie, oh, we went too fast. Dedenne, Dunsparce, Jigglypuff, Dino, Skitty the Kitty, Gowlet, Morlul, Reverse, nothing. A Corviknight Hollow. I actually like that. Don't have that one. I like it. Alright. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Day 22 of opening 30 different packs in 30 days. Evolving Skies. Pokemon! Water Energy, Lantern, Spirit Mask, Gordy, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, Carvana, a Militic Reverse Hollow. Uh-oh, nothing. A Pinsir. Arrgh! Day 19, Sun and Moon. Here we go. Energy, Poliwhirl, Steenie, Big Melisada, Stuffle, Eevee, Dewpider, Poliwag, Paras, Doug Trio Reverse Hollow. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see. Bruxish. There we go. Reverse Hollow. Day 21. Brilliant Stars. Are we ever going to pull a monster? That is the question. Well, we did pull that Mew V. I think that was like day 4. Water Energy, Cleansing Gloves, Dusclops, Beartic, Baltoy, Snorunt, Dedenne, Nosepass, Cubchoo, Staryu Reverse. Oh, we got something. We got something. A Flygon V. Hey, better than a sharp stick in the eye.